Hey there! Today we're tackling a common data problem that many of us face when working with data frames in R. The problem at hand involves cleaning up a data frame by replacing certain elements with NA based on specific conditions. Now let's dive into the solution provided. The key here is a function called replace underscore with underscore NA, which takes a value and a target string as input. This function cleverly uses regular expressions to identify elements that do not meet the specified conditions and replaces them with NA. This simple yet powerful function forms the backbone of our solution. Building on this, we then apply the replace underscore with underscore NA function to each column of the data frame using the apply function. This enables us to efficiently clean up the data frame by replacing non-conforming elements with NA, while retaining those that meet the specified criteria. The resulting new underscore df showcases the cleaned up data frame in all its glory. For those who prefer working with dplyr, fear not. The mutate function, combined with a cross, gives us a similar outcome with a more concise syntax. By applying the replace underscore with underscore NA function across all columns of the data frame, we achieve the same level of data cleanliness and organization. In a nutshell, we've successfully tackled the data frame cleaning problem by using a combination of clever functions and intuitive data manipulation techniques. Hopefully, this solution has shed some light on how to efficiently handle similar data cleaning tasks in R. And remember, the data may be messy, but with the right tools, we can always clean it up with ease. Stay tuned for more exciting data adventures, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your favorite data cleaning tips.